Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Now be honest, when you see a plain block of tofu like this, do you immediately think flavor explosion? Well, probably not. Well, I'm going to blow your minds with the flavor explosion I'm going to create with this extreme vegan makeover of the dish called Larb. We're going to transport your taste buds straight to Laos and amaze you with a zesty, savory, spicy, delicious flavor. I'm really excited to get started on this recipe and of course try it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Rinse 1 cup of sticky rice at least 3 times and then soak it overnight. Rinse and dry a 1/4 cup's worth of rice, which you'll toast later on. I got a block of firm tofu here and I'm going to squeeze out all the liquid. Crumble it all up with your fingers. And we're going to slice up some red onion. And I'm going to chop up some fresh ginger. Chop up a red chili pepper or 2, depending on your spice tolerance. You can always keep some chopped chili on the side if you're not too sure. I'm slicing up some fresh radishes that will be served with this dish. I'm going to slice up some cucumber. And we'll get our lemongrass going. Bang it with the back of the knife to release all the flavors. Slice it in half and slice up the tender parts. I have our snow peas here. I'm just going to trim the edges with the strings. And I'm chopping up a few cloves of garlic. We're going to steam our soaked rice. I created a hole in the center which allows for even cooking with this type of steamer. I also poked some holes in the parchment paper. Be sure to spread the rice evenly. We'll keep it covered and steam it. And this should take about 30 minutes. With a regular rice steamer, flip halfway through. If you're using this method, you might want to check it halfway through just to ensure it's cooking evenly. I've oiled a large hot pan and I've added our tofu, red onion, and ginger. We'll cook this up for a few minutes. Now we're adding our chopped garlic to the mix. Add your sliced chili, cook it up for a minute or so. And then add in your lemongrass. I've added 1 teaspoon of miso paste to 1 cup of water. Mix it all up and then add it to your pan to deglaze everything. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of our seaweed seasoning. If you don't have this type of seasoning, you can either tear up some nori or chop it up. I've juiced 1 whole lemon here, and we're going to add the lemon juice in the mix. I decided some more chili would work. The common spelling of this dish is L-A-R-B, but it is not pronounced larb. It is thought that the English speakers adapted this spelling to try to convey how the word is pronounced. So rather than using any accent marks over the letters, they decided to stick an R in there instead. Well, it's actually pronounced Larb, and it means chopped or minced in the Lao and Northern Thai language, Lana. This dish is thought to bring about good fortune and to be very lucky, stemming from the ancient Sanskrit root meaning to obtain, gain, or procure. This dish is also considered to be a communal dish, often enjoyed at special occasions, and it really does bring people together. King Kao Leo Boa. This is the Lao equivalent to the North American "How are you?" And it means, have you eaten rice yet? Well, kao actually technically means rice. It's meant to mean meal in general. But it demonstrates the importance of rice in Laos. Now we're dry toasting our smaller portion of rice that we set aside and dried. You can see the beautiful brown color here. We're going to add it to our spice grinder / coffee grinder. Just make sure it's all cleaned out if it's a coffee grinder. And this is what's going to allow those flavors to really stick to our tofu. I'm slicing up some fresh lime leaves. We got 2 here. I'm adding our sliced lime leaves to the mix. I'm slicing up some basil. I'm slicing up some cilantro. And some fresh mint. And we have our bib lettuce ready to go. Slice up some green onion. I'm adding about a handful of herbs to mix in. And the toasted rice. Now we're adding our organic Better Than Bouillon veggie bouillon with water in the mix. Now our rice is fully steamed and good to go. Now it's time to serve our flavor-popping dish. Sprinkle on your green onion. And we're finishing this off with more of our fresh herbs, about a handful. It's that time again, everyone. It's time to find out if this extreme vegan makeover was a success. So the traditional way of eating this is with the sticky rice with your hands. Got our sticky rice and we'll dive in. Gotta love the citrus, the spice, the lime, zestiness. Gotta love the umami flavors in the mix with the miso. We got the little fishy touch with our seaweed seasoning. So it's more modern for people to use the lettuce as a way to scoop it up. Here we go. I don't have a bib or an apron, so. Enjoy some fresh veggies. Mix it all together. We've got all the flavor combinations. Wow, you wouldn't believe it started off as a plain tofu block. With our vegan extreme makeover, we transformed it into a delicious, flavor-popping vegan larb. It's everything that you would want it to be. It's bright, citrusy, got the savory flavors going on, a little bit of spice in the mix, the nuttiness from our toasted rice that is in the mix, our blended toasted rice, and our beautiful herbs. Brighten everything up and bring everything together so nicely. Feel free to drop me a line in the comments below and let me know what other international dishes you'd like to see me do a vegan extreme makeover on. Remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's gonna be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't wanna miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.